Hello, Namaskar, Adab, my brothers and sisters. Warm welcome to our channel Crude Gurukul India Trades Independently. So, this is the continuation of the second session that we did, earlier, right? So, I'll show you today, right? We talked about the small risk that needs to be maintained. So, I'll show you first how the small risk can be maintained and a profitable trade can be made, so that you gain some more confidence, right? And you start using small stop losses, right? So and after that we will see how to make a perfect trading plan, what are the things needed. So before that I will take you quick to my Telegram channel, right? There you'll be able to see it. Okay, so let's go to the search button and see what is how we can maintain small stop loss. So let's talk about start from the February month, because January I was busy, right, for the new year. And so let's have a look. Okay, so you see the views has been posted in this Telegram channel Crude Gurukul, having 6.6 subscribers now. Okay, so you can also subscribe to our channel and get the live updates here, right? And also join our training program. Okay, so see, market buy in dips for crude, right? And target was for above level, so 71000, 7100 level from 68119, right? So these are the views I'm posting here. Crude Elliott wave, all the exact moves for coming month will be posted by the help of this Elliott wave, which is not an easy to learn this Elliott wave, but if you can learn this, you will become a master. You will know each and every swing of the market. So I will show you everything, how it works. Nickel has high of 1834 today. I gave a SL of 1680, which was safe, and today it was 200 plus above. So nickel is a history now. Okay, so NG buy and dips, and see crude, right? Crude told on Jan 5th, right? Told on Jan 5th when it was playing at 4600 levels, right? The expectation was for 8000 level when it was playing at 4600 levels, and after that it made a high of 7000, and then we saw nearly 10,000 levels. It's all has been predicted with the help of chart patterns, right? Okay, so we will try to learn, and I'll show you some small stop losses calls. Okay, so now buy crude near this 7580 with SL of 65. First target is 2550 100. See, low of 6976 and high of 7001. Okay, so exact low, right? The pinpoint level, how to find out this pinpoint level and high of 7001, that is 25 points first target hit with only 10 point risk, right? Only 10 point risk provided the first target. Okay, all right, next call we will go for the next call, right? This is having little issue here. Okay, let me pull this down here and then we will continue. Okay, you see the first call there, right? Crude hold it at cost and low of 6978, cost safe, high of 7023 from 6976, so almost 50 points down with it. You see our WhatsApp group students, right? They are posting their calls, right? And they are an independent trader now. They can trade independently. They have knowledge. They can easily trade themselves. They do not need to wait for anyone for anyone's calls, right? because when calls come, right, it has already been fluctuated for several points, and it's not that easy to enter again, right? Okay, so buy nickel, this was Rahul Ji's call, okay, which gave how much? SL was 65, 5 points in 5 minutes, and then nickel on fire. Okay, anyways, all right, so that was nickel, 8k profit. Okay, now see another call. Now buy crude. Okay, this we would have discussed earlier. All right, small risk again, buy crude above 7023 with 5 point SL. See a straight high of 7039, even 1 point SL safe here, right? 7045 with 5 point SL only, right? So this will work, but you need to enter at the right place. And what should be that place that you need to learn, right? That you have to understand by looking at the chart. Okay, see 40 points with 5 point SL only. So many calls has been provided like this. You see in WhatsApp group 43 points with 10 point SL only here, right? So small stop loss also work, right? You need to believe in yourself, you need to cap your risk, and you need to trade independently after that, after learning. So crude oil, these are intraday profits of 8,000, this 32,000 in silver and 10,000 again in silver. These are our independent masters profit. See 12,000, right? So these are the profits they make independently trading themselves, right? And this is possible, right? This is not that tough. Okay, see our masters are providing calls with 1.5 point stop loss in NG and 9 points. See 9 points provided, so they are trading themselves now. Okay, 8 point risk, sell crude, first target hit within minutes, right? So 25 points with 8 point SL only. These calls have been posted live, right? So you can also do it, right? You can also do it. This is not that you will not be able to do it, but for that you have to have good knowledge. Now let's go to the slides and see what is risk management today, and then we will go to how to develop a trading plan, right? Okay, you see this slide here. The slide has how to calculate risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is the continuation. So say what is risk to reward ratio, right? Okay, so say a trader takes 10 points stop loss, right? 10 point risk and 20 points. Instead that he wants to take 20 points profit. Okay, now if we divide, right? If we divide this, then this is 1 and this is 2. That is, risk to reward is 1:2. As simple as that. So for 10 points of stop loss, you want to book 20 points of target. So simply divide the take profit distance by the stop loss distance, and you will get the risk to reward ratio. And maintaining a good risk to reward ratio is the first key to success that we have discussed in the first session, right? Because say if anyone thinks that I will take 20 point risk and if I get only 10 points I will exit from the market. So even with 50 point, say 60% accuracy, what will be the outcome? So out of 10 trade, say 60% time he got profit. So into 6 is he made 60 points profit, and into 4 that is equals to 80 points loss, right? So ultimately he is in 20 points loss, right? Even with 60% accuracy, right? So that is why maintaining a good risk to reward ratio is very, very important. See the second condition, if take profit is 20 point and risk is 10 point, now what happens with only 40% accuracy, right? Only 40% accuracy, what will happen? So take profit is a 20 into 4 trade out of 10 equals to 80 points, and 10 into 6 losses also equals to 60 points. That means if you minus, you will be still in profit of 20 points. So you understood, right? So this risk to reward ratio maintaining is very, very important. If you fail to maintain this good risk to reward ratio, then it is very difficult for you to make profit in this market, right? Okay, now we will discuss about the how to develop a trading plan, right, which is very, very important and should be the first step before entering into the market, right? Okay, so see, the first question that arises in every trader's mind is, sir, what should be the right time frame for trading, right? What should be the right time frame? See, this time frame should be decided by you only, depending on the type of trader you are, right? If you are an intraday trader, then 5 minutes or 15 minutes or hardly 1 hour chart is enough for you, right? But if you are a positional trader, then at least weekly chart or daily chart or 4 hourly chart, right, or hourly chart minimum needs to be maintained, right? This is the first point that we need to understand. It has to be understood by ourselves only, that what type of trader we are. Depending on that, we will be deciding our time frame for looking at the chart. Next is risk management. We need to fix our risk, right? We need to fix our risk. We cannot just hold without stop loss and let the loss run and wipe out the whole capital, right? So for that, the law is the risk has to be within 1 to 3% of the capital per trade, right? But I will suggest not per trade, has to be per day, okay? Per day it should be, right? So if one day you are making maximum 1 to 5% of or 3% of losses, you should close trade for the day. Assume that this is not a good day, not a trendy market, right? The next video I'll be posting on is what is trend and how to identify the trend, right, with the help of indicator. Okay, see, so risk management, right? So you cannot, so if your capital is 1 lakh, right, then maximum risk should be 3000, not more than that. Divide your 3000 into 3 trades with 1000 point stop loss in 3 trades. Say 1000 point risk per trade, okay, 1000 rupees risk. So crude 5 point stop loss into 2 lot, okay, again say 1 stop loss got hit, right, 1000 rupees lot, again 1000 rupees risk, second call, again stop loss got hit, right? If third target comes, right, third call's target comes, right, the first target should be for 25 points, second target should be for 50 points, right? That is 75 points total. If we minus this 10 plus 10, 20 points out of 75 points, then you still have 20 points minus, then you still have 55 points profit, right? 55 points profit within 3 trade with a risk of 3000 rupees only. This is the secret to success that I'm telling you. Risk has to be smaller and the trade has to be managed properly, right? Next, we need to identify the condition of the market. Either the market is ranging or trending. Depending on that, we will be taking our position, right? Next, fourth point is what type of market we are comfortable in, right? So we need to decide the market depending on the personality, that if you cannot control high volatility of the market, right, then you do not enter in MCX market, right, because those are high volatile market. You work in equity only, okay? But if you can control that, then you can work in currency, bond, future. Depending on your style of trading, you need to choose your market. Number 5 is entry. What type of entry you are going to take? So a perfect trading plan has to be maintained, right? That we will learn after we complete all the technicals, right? Next, so the entry, what type of entry market provides? Market provides pullback entry, breakout entry, and crossover entries. So you decide your trading plan, that what type of trading plan you have. Depending on that, you follow that entry, right? Till time market doesn't comes according to the trading plan, you will not take entry, right? That is the key, right? Entry has to be taken according to the trading plan only. Next is where should be the stop loss. So stop loss should be away from the market structure. Like say if this is the range of the market, right? If this is the range of the market and candle closed above this, right? So the stop loss has to be below this range, away from the market. Entry you can take here. After breakout it will retrace, right? Two condition, it will fly, or second condition is it will retrace. So we will always try and wait for the retracement of the market, because market will not fly like this always. It will go up, again come down, and again go up like this, right? So after a certain breakout above the level, right, we will wait for the market to come near to the stop loss, right, so that our risk gets smaller. Within 5-10 points range we will try to take entry, and this time target will be 25, 50, 100 points easily, right? This is how we need to put our stop loss and take entry. Targets, for targets and targets booking and trialing stop losses are very very important, right? So you have your fixed percentage of target. So if you have 5 point risk, then you want to take 20 points target, right, or 25 points target. So when market provides this point, you book your target or trial your SL and ride that whole trend of the market. Where to trial your SL, all these things will be discussed in our training session. And the training session doesn't cost much. It is only 36K that you can make payment in 3 installments, right, or 2 installments, right? And along with that we provide lifetime support, right? We provide lifetime support. We do not do like, you have learned, now you go your way and find your trades, right? We work together, we learn together. We are always uploading our chart, our views in our WhatsApp group. We are like a family, right? So if you want, you can join our Gurukul family by enrolling at our, you can WhatsApp at the WhatsApp number here provided. You can anytime you can WhatsApp me for any help you need, right? So that was all for the second session. We learned about the risk management, right, the risk reward ratio, and what are the key factors of developing a trading plan. Next session I will try to upload a video on trend analysis, and I will show you how to analyze a trend with the help of indicator. Thank you for watching the video. Nothing is more important than your time, right? So take care and God bless. Thank you.